You get the phone, you get the earbuds, one winner, good luck. With all the smartphones coming out today, left and right, especially in the 10,000 to 20,000 peso price range, you can easily get confused. In Tagalog, napakadaming smartphone na lumabas within the 10,000 to 20,000 pesos price range from different brands. Now, here's the thing. If you really take a closer look at it, not all smartphones are created equal. Yes, some of them carry the same features, but some of them have something special that makes them stand out and sets them apart. Now, that particular unique feature is something that you will have to judge individually to see if it will match your needs. If it does, then it might be the phone that you might end up buying. In today's review, we have a smartphone that does just that. This is the Realme 7 Pro. And while it looks like another unassuming smartphone within the 10 to 20,000 peso price range, this has something special up its sleeve. It has the 65 watts super fast, I think they call it like dart charging, and it promises, get this guys, to charge your phone, a 15-minute charge will get you up to 58%. And then if you charge it all the way to 100% from 0%, you can get that in just 34 minutes. That is something special, that is something interesting, that is something worth looking into. So if you're interested to see a deeper look, like a quick review or a more comprehensive take about the Realme 7 Pro, this is the video for you. And by the way, make sure that you watch until the very end. I have a very special treat for one of you guys. Let's go. Now, before I jump into the review, let me just quickly plug that apart from the ongoing giveaways that we have, ranging from the off-white face masks to the newly announced ones, all of which you can find listed in the description box, I just want to plug that I recently did a review on this, which is the Realme Buds Q. For me, the best affordable true wireless earphones that you can buy today for under like 1,000 pesos. It's 500 pesos off. You can get it for $990 over at Lazada. I will link it down below. Okay, now let's get to the phone. This is the Realme 7 Pro. Quickly going over the pertinent specifications. It has a Snapdragon 720G processor built for gaming. So whatever game that you want to play, be it One Punch Man, PUBG, or whatever type of shooting or strategy game, it should power it well. The second thing you need to know is that it has a quad 64 megapixel camera setup at the back. It does really good night photos if you want to take shots, especially when it is dark. If you're going out, if you're with friends, lalo na pagtapos ng pandemic, then this can do a really good job at that as well. The front-facing camera has actually the night mode as well. So if you want to take selfies with your friends, or if you just want to take a selfie of yourself in a not well-lit condition, this should also do the job pretty well. So those are like two things that I found interesting with the camera setup. Another important thing is that it also has an AMOLED display. AMOLED is a type of screen technology that makes colors pop out a little bit more. It's more saturated, and personally, I find it more appealing than having high refresh rate phones. This doesn't have like the 90 to 120 refresh rates, but it does have the Super AMOLED display, and which for me is a big win. When you're the type of person that loves to watch videos, if you're the type of person that's, you know, that you're just glued on the screen and you want visual treats, then this is the display that you should always be looking for, Super AMOLED. So in short, anything that you would want in a smartphone, the basic stuff from gaming to photography to selfie shots to a nice display to decent battery, you get all of that with the Realme 7 Pro. This one sells for a little over 17,000 pesos, so it is within that higher range of the 10 to 20,000 price point. But I think they have like a special deal if you buy it, and it's on like, if you get the deal, you get like free buds, which is worth like over 1,000 pesos. So that's great value for money already. But the main reason why I think you should consider the Realme 7 Pro, and this is something that you will need to judge on an individual basis if it appeals to you, is the unique thing that sets it apart. And that for me is the 65 watts SuperDart charging. In fact, if you plug it using the SuperDart charger with the cable that it comes with the box, it actually has a nice animation on the phone that tells you that it is like charging up super fast. Even shows like the percentage real time, which makes it look kick-ass when it comes to charging. Again, to reiterate, if you are at zero, if your battery is dead and you want to get it to 100%, you just need like 34 minutes charging that. That is insanely fast because usually you would need around an hour or so to be able to fully charge a smartphone. Now, the big question is that feature something that you would need? Is that capability to charge from 0 to 100% in 30 minutes something critical and crucial? If you think about it, ultimately, I guess the main use case for this, or for the 65-watt supercharge, is that it is for power users. It's for people who are on the go, who are always glued to their phone, who are either creators or businessmen or gamers or a mix of all of those. As long as you are somebody who's always maximizing your device, then I think the charging capability comes into play because there is actual value in it. In short, yung 65 watts na yun, nagkakaroon ng sense, nagkakaroon ng purpose, nagkakaroon ng reason kung bakit mo gusto bilhin yung telepono na to. So if you find yourself as someone like that, if you see yourself as someone like that, a power user who's always running out of battery, who's always running out of juice because you're either gaming so much or taking videos or taking photos, or you're always glued because you make so many calls because you're that extremely busy business person and you just want a reliable phone, a well-rounded phone that can always keep it, you know, almost at 100% because of that ridiculous fast charging, then you might want to consider this. Again, that's the Realme 7 Pro for you. Please do take note that it's not just the charging though, that's the unique thing, but everything else from the camera to the processor to the gorgeous AMOLED display, they're all check marks. But ultimately, what makes it unique and stand out is that 65 watts insane SuperDart charging. Now, this unit was actually sent over to me by Realme Philippines, and what I want to do now is every time that I get stuff from partners such as Realme, I want it to be exciting for you guys. So it's not just a review. So what are we going to do? We are going to give away this phone. Yep, this brand new, well, not brand new kasi ginamit ko na siya for the review, but I just used it for a few days. This Realme 7 Pro, one of you guys can actually take it home. So what are the mechanics? Number one, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's very obvious. I always ask for that. Number two, follow me on Instagram. Number three, follow Realme Philippines on Instagram. I will link down below to their IG account. Number four, I need you to give this video a thumbs up and share it on Facebook or IG or Twitter, wherever you want to share it. Number five, I need you to leave a comment down below on how you would maximize the 65-watt SuperDart charging of the Realme 7 Pro. Kung power user ka, describe mo how you are a power user, what you do with your phone, and why this should be given to you. And lastly, I need you to check out my video as well of the Realme Buds Q review. And I need you to comment on that video as well on what you love about the Realme Buds Q. The winner of this particular giveaway will not just get the Realme 7 Pro, I will also send you the Realme Buds Q. You get the phone, you get the earbuds, one winner. Good luck. Ngayon, sa mga hindi nakakaintindi na English at di nyo na-gets yung mechanics na sinabi ko, I will write it down below. I will pin it on the comment section para madali ninyong maintindihan. Checklist nyo lang. Gawin nyo lahat yon para pasok kayo sa raffle. The winner will be drawn October 15 kasi para 2 weeks naman, para tumagal naman to ng konti. Okay? And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our video for today. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Maraming salamat sa inyo for always watching the videos, for always tuning in, for always commenting down below. I appreciate all of you. Maraming salamat. I hope you guys are all positive with life, negative with COVID, and as usual, peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.